Going to the beach is one of our favorite pastimes. Making sandcastles, swimming and surfing are some of the many things to do. Occasionally, while playing in the shallow water, a monster wave heads in our direction, catching us off guard. Number 5. USA. This massive wave catches these swimmers unaware, sending them scrambling for cover. Number 4. Mexico. These friends were watching waves crash onto the beach when a rough wave takes them completely by surprise. Number 3. Australia. This young man notices this wave coming toward him and runs for his life. Number 2. Hawaii. This incredible wave manages to reach all the way to the sunbathers on the beach, catching them all unaware. Number 1. Hawaii. This group of friends made the mistake of playing too close to the surf during some large tidal conditions. One of them almost gets swept out to sea. Check out one of our other amazing videos.